Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to lock gallery on Samsung phone. To do this, first open your gallery and then tap on menu icon and tap on settings. Scroll down and tap on about gallery. And now tap on 10 times here. After that, your gallery labs will be enabled. Go back, scroll down and tap on gallery labs. Scroll down and enable this option. Go back and now restart your phone. After restart your phone, open the gallery. Now tap and hold on the album you want to lock and then tap on more icon and then tap on lock album. By doing this process, you can successfully lock your album on Samsung phone. Thank you.